First, pressure kasi hindi ko prepared eh. I was not prepared sa terms of katawan. Siguro, I'm not that confident to showcase my katawan sa public. Pero, with the help of our designer naman, what my road managers and all the people that supported me, and also my trainer, naging mabilis po yung progression bodybuilding. Kasi at first, hindi ako confident talaga. Nakailang pilit sa akin yung art center yung boss mo. Pero I turned it lang kasi hindi pa ako prepared. Pero siguro, hindi sila hindi yung art center yung push mo sa boss mo. So sige, why not give it a shot?
Yeah, and I'm sure you made a lot of fans happy. So, syempre we know we're all here today to listen to Alden. Tell us what steps he took to be able to strut his stuff on the ramp. So, Alden, tell us what were the first steps that you took? Did you join a new sport? Did you enlist the help of a physical trainer?
Yeah, so first, of course, I asked to seek out from personal trainer, Coach Jay. And because of schedules, one full of day, and engage me sa different schedules kasi medyo mahirap yung taping days namin. It's in WF, and then in between schedules, Tuesday, Thursdays, sometimes shoot a movie or like pocket lessons as well. So medyo mahirap talaga. So I have to inject the working out a day sa kahit ano na pwede kong sinitan. Pero very impossible sa gaming days kasi alas 24/7 mo kami push. And on Saturdays and Sundays naman yung party with So hindi ko alam kung paano magawa yung singit ko yung workouts schedules.
Okay, so syempre, share natin ngayon sa vloggers yung workout routine mo. So, does anyone want to join Alden in warm-up stretch?
Ating yellow.
No? Let's also invite his trainer,
James.
yeah, he'll help us stretch. So, does anyone want to join James and Alden for a basic warm-up stretch?
Sige na naman, para fun.
Sama ko, sir. More the merrier po.
John, sir.
Please.
Joke na. Yes, I do.
Okay. Side stretch. For 5 to 10 seconds.
Alright.
Bakit kailangan mag-stretch? Hindi na diretso.
Kasi if I get injured, you have to warm up. It's always like 1 degree centigrade hotter yung katawan. That will determine the pedicle.
Interesting.
Okay, down.
Let's show the other
Shoulder
block.
stretch. Shoulder stretch. Notice parang hindi natin inibig lang. Kasi may injure kayo dahil malamig kayo katawan. So what you do to stretch, you have to defer first. Or kahit anong gagawin ka na papawisan kayo ng konti. Okay? Kasi hindi pwede.
agad.
And then when you stretch, you have to find the range. Okay? You have to find the range na safe lang. Okay, I'll show you how. Okay, sit down.
Go there.
Okay. Straighten your legs. Okay, touch your toes. Okay, as we know, this is siya flexible. Others, don't be so sudden when you move. You have to be, you have to find the limit. Kaya na, hanggang dyan na siya. So you have to mag-adjust na yung muscles niya. And then you can stretch further. Gugulat kayo, parang gano'n, mag-adjust siya. That's how stretching should be. Hindi siya yung dapat bibiglayin mo. Because meron tayong defense mechanism sa muscle natin. Bigla siya mag-uod. Bigla siya titigas. Si ma'am, medyo swerte, flexible. Usually, babae kasi.
Bakit na ginagawa mo? Bakit flexible?
Babae kasi mas flexible talaga yan.
Kaya parang hindi ako flexible.
Nice answer.
Okay, for for the Cosmo, medyo limit kasi sa oras. Malaki yung gym namin. Sa mismong event, sa gilid lang. Dumadaan yung mga tao. As in, nasasagi si Alden. Tapos wala kaming choice. Tatlo pa sila ako pa. So,
ginawa namin, kung yung magagawa ng certain position, we make the most. So we did this together with Mata. Amazing. Okay, okay.